It's Wednesday, March 17th, and I'm at Wellesley Square, located at milepost BF 14.8 on MBTA's Worcester line, and I don't have school due to coronavirus. This is Amtrak 449 with a triple header and a surprise Phase 3 Heritage Unit number 145 second out. Not bad for a train that I went to see randomly out of boredom. Three days later, I woke up to a text from a friend that an MBTA rail train would be headed east from North Grafton after dropping off rails for the Grafton and Upton Railroad a week earlier. Leading the train was F40PHM-2C number 1030, and trailing was F40PH-3C number 1063. It was cool to see two variants of MBTA's overhauled F40s double-heading on one train, an in-house rebuild and an MPI rebuild from Boise, Idaho. Notice the 6-axle flat car trailing on this train, not something you see every day.
The relationship between emotions of feeling happy and feeling sad. If one did not exist, then neither